Good morning, students. Today we have to understand about this writing section. That is, some letter is coming up here. And letters come in writing section. You all know that. So today we have to understand about this complaint letter. It comes in formal letter section. Letters are of two types. You can see that formal and informal. Formal, that is official or departmental or business letters, are called formal letters, where you communicate very briefly and cut to cut. But whereas informal letters, these are personal letters. No any formalities are required in informal letters. But in formal letters, you must be formal. You must use formal words to show the proper thing in required life. And so this given heading is given here, question. This complaint letter is coming about and it comes in formal letter section. This question is always big. You have to go through the question, what it is saying exactly, and accordingly you have to answer the things. You are Vijay Singh 30, Chanakipuri, this address part is there, Delhi. You bought a refrigerator which is not working now. Write a letter of replacement complaining about the same to your dealer in not more than 120 words. So a complaint letter will always require a receipt number. Here you have written that I have mentioned receipt number and dated, well signed with date, some assumed date you have to give with some you have to assume that bill number or receipt number. Then that letter requires what fault exactly that person is facing about that particular product. If suppose he has bought a television and some sound problem is there or some picture problem is there from that TV set, so he can put up those things, those malfunctions of that particular set or irregularities, and that you have to mention in your letter. What exactly this disturbance is with the set. And then third part is you have to mention that it is in the warranty period. Since the warranty period sets are always exchangeable. Exchangeable means replaceable. And dealers, they always find their customers, they want to have their customers happiness. So they usually replace their sets. So that way, now you are in a position to write a complaint letter fully in a proper light. It is starting with the sales manager. Sometimes you might be having some messers. Messers means so many persons are involved in that form. So here you require to write that letter to its sales manager, to the sales or marketing manager. Satyam Electronics, it is an assumed name, or you have to suppose some name. New Delhi. Dear sir, this is to inform you that myself, you have to identify yourself, that who are you and from where are you coming and what you have done with them. That myself, Mr. Vijay Singh, had, past tense verbs you have to use, had purchased a refrigerator. Make means the company that is producing that particular refrigerator. Make Kelvinator 500 liters. Its capacity, it is stating about the refrigerator's capacity 500 liters, large size from your shop. From your shop. There, this introduction part has got finished. Now you have to mention, as I said earlier, that you have to mention the receipt number of that particular purchase. That you have to mention it to that dealer. So you need to write out these things. I bought it. I had the bill or receipt number by 2304 dated 27/05/19. So after mentioning this set, you need to mention about its bill number, receipt by dated so and so. Later on, you have to write, I bought it on your assurance of its excellent working condition. Since wherever or whenever we go to buy some things from any shop, usually we do not have right idea about buying that thing. So we require some consent or this agreement or from that shopkeeper. What is the result of that particular product? If shopkeeper advises you to have that particular product, then you buy that thing. So this is the thing. I bought it only on your assurance. You have to write it down properly of its excellent working condition, but it is not cooling well to the things kept inside. So it is not doing this cooling. Some problem has come into its cooling section that you have to describe it. This is very troubling for the whole family, as it is a summer season. As you know, the refrigerator sale is on boom, or you can say on a splash, since it is summer season going on. So people are buying very frequently these refrigerators without knowing the right things or right produce. So here we have to mention that this is a very troubling for whole family. Kindly replace the set at the earliest to restore our peace and cool of mind. Since it is still under the warranty period, now we have to mention about its warranty period. In warranty period, the sets are, you can say, exchangeable. Under the warranty period of 2 years. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Vijay Singh. And here you have to write the date part and address part also, date or address. Here also you can write date or address. Or here also you can write date or address. It is up to you. You have to make the letter presentable. So anywhere, here also you can write date and address part. Here also below to that also you can write address part. And here also you can write date and address part. So this was the complaint letter, and again later on we will be coming with this inquiry letter. And you better check on this link on your this Schoolia app. There you have to go on our link, particularly given to this diary and all, and try to make use of this time, because we have got a little time to do with. So you kindly be punctual with all those studies I am teaching. Okay, fine, thank you.